Righto, g'day guys. Another video on the bike. It's just sitting over here. So long story short, I'll tell you what's happened. I'm trying to find an exhaust for the bike. Rang every bike shop in my area, MX store, all the ones online. Couldn't find anything. Next morning, found this thing on Facebook Marketplace. 450 bucks. Normally 700 brand new. So in this video, I'm going to take you through putting it on the motorbike. So here we are over at the bike. I'll let you guys know. Over here on the bike, we're just going to pull this side cover off, start pulling the exhaust off, and then slap the new one on. So it's just all 10 mils. It's pretty easy. Pull that cover off. One bolt in here, just like that. Another bolt there. It's all pretty much straightforward sort of stuff. And then right down the back here, there's a clamp. And that thing comes out. And there's the old exhaust, and I'll grab the new one and slap the new one on. Alright, here we go. We've got the FMF exhaust. We're just going to slide it into the bike and then bolt it back up again. Alright, so I've just stuck it on and just bolted it up, just so I can get everything lined up. And got the clamp down here. Not really exactly sure what to do with that yet. I might as well just put these plastics on so that it still fits up. And then we'll go for a ride and see what it sounds like. Just get me 10 mil so I can put these bolts in. Shit, yeah, that looks cool as. So I'll just do the clamp, get some gear on, and we'll go for a blast around the block and see what it sounds like. So right guys, we're on the bike now. Got the new exhaust on. It sounds pretty good riding. Definitely feel the difference. Just letting the bike breathe a bit better. So all I gotta do now is make the bloody pilot jet and the main jet a little bit bigger on the carby, and then we're ready to go. Oh, look at that thing. Shit. All we do is just tune the carby up so it gives a bit more fuel, because these WRs, they run lean out of the factory because they're so bloody detuned. So we'll throw a bit more fuel into it. I've already opened the airbox up already. So I've already got heaps of air, just need a bit more fuel to it, and it should run really good after that. And then I've been watching a video, there's something about you disconnect the grey wire out of the little black box, and it gives you YZ ignition timing, so instead of being only rev 60% of your throttle, you can go all the way, and I think you do something with the throttle stop too, so I might give that a go and see how we go with that. That sounds pretty good. It pulls a bit harder too, for sure. Just need a bit more fuel into it, and it should go real good then. So the next couple of mods I want to do to this bike is get some handguards. I already had handguards on them, but they're a bit faded, so I'm going to get some just like front ones, not wraparound ones, because you can break your wrist really easy. And then get a seat cover. I found out a little while ago, I was washing the bike and the front rim had a crack in it, so I've had to buy new rims for it, and while there I bought new brakes. this sounds really good. It's not too loud, it's probably loud out for other people, but who cares? It makes the bike go a bit better. A lot better anyway. Is just there, keep an eye out. Anyway guys, I'll throw up the tips of the before and after. We'll call it quits on this video, so thanks for watching. If you like the bloody little install of the exhaust, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like. Let's try and get this bloody YouTube stuff back on rolling again. So yeah, I'll throw up the bloody before and after clips and there'll be a video there. Alright, thanks for watching guys.